Hello everyone, it's me, the SupNatural, Dominique. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing those headband curls. Curls Queen sent me hair a little while ago and they sent this in the package and I said I'll get back to this. I'll do it another day. But this is not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to try this, especially I've been seeing them on like TikTok and Reels on Instagram. And they look so pretty, so I said let me try these. So now I'm going to prep my hair. My hair gets like super tangled all the time. So before you try to do these curls, make sure your hair is prepped and all the tangles are out of your hair. And to assist me with that, I'm going to be using 100% coconut oil. I just love how it melts in my hands, and just going to apply it to my hair and my scalp, and I'm going to be doing a scalp massage. I'm just going to massage it in there and then just focus on my scalp and do a massage to stimulate hair growth, all that good stuff. And it was feeling so good, especially in the middle area right now, right there. But before we go any further, can y'all just stop for a second and subscribe to my channel? Like this if you like what you see so far, and share it as well. I really need your help in sharing my videos. So if you like what you see, go ahead and do that. I appreciate it so much. So now that I put that coconut oil in my hair, the comb is running through it smooth. Look at that. This is what I love. Not super smooth, but smooth. And right here, I'm just making sure all the tangles are out of my hair. And I just want to let you guys know that I have been going hard on Instagram and hard on TikTok. I've been doing reels and they've been getting really good. I'm trying to learn transitions and everything. So if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, it's at the SupNatural. No spaces or anything, and the same for TikTok. Okay, so I'm getting that brush and I just want to smooth my hair out. And then here's the MVP of this hairstyle. It is going to be the Sebastian Shaper, and it's just like a flexible hold hairspray. I love this hairspray. I even use it for my silk presses. You've seen it before. But it's just going to hold my hair, and then I'm just going to comb everything through, making sure each strand gets a little bit of it. So here's a satin or silk band that they sent me, and with hair, and then they have these cute two little satin bows as well. And I'm going to part my hair down the middle, and it's just going to ensure that each side gets wrapped into the band. I'm just going to make sure it's even on both sides. And then I'm just going to take one end to get it out the way and sit it on top of my head. And this is the part that I just guessed on. I've watched tutorials but not really watched them. I like to watch things. This is the weird thing about me. I watch videos with the sound off. And my friends are like, why do you always do that? But I don't know. And I just like to observe things with the sound off. I don't know. I don't know if I'm annoyed or what. But anyway, so I'm taking the bow, and I've learned to put the band on the other side just to hold it still. And then you're going to take the hair and wrap it around and bring it under. Make sure it's smooth. And then add a piece of hair and go under every time. That's basically what it is. It's super easy. I heard people say that this was hard for them. I'm like, okay. So I was kind of intimidated. But then once I put it on my head, I was like, this is the easiest thing to do. A 2-year-old can do this. You just take it around. Even though some things come easier to other people, so I shouldn't say a 2-year-old can do this, but I feel like it's simple. So you just take hair. If you know how to braid, this is easier than braiding. You just take hair, pull it down, wrap it around. Once you wrap it around, grab more hair, pull it around, under, wrap it around, and just wrap. And the hardest part about it was I don't have a mirror, so I do have a mirror, but I don't have two mirrors, so I couldn't see what was going on in the back. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Pull it, take it under, smooth out the hair, go up, kind of open the headband up, pull it up the headband so you can go under easily, and then take the front part, wrap it under, and every time you do it, you just add hair forward. When you pull it around under the headband, bring new hair under. So that way you'll run out of hair at the end. You'll know every strand of hair is wrapped under and curled around the headband. To me, it's easier to watch to see than somebody explain what's going on for me. And like I said, I didn't have a mirror, so when I went back and I saw that the hair was not curled around the headband, I had to go back and I fixed it, so it was okay. So that was pretty easy. I'm going to add a little bit more Sebastian Shaper hairspray, flexible hold hairspray, and I left it in overnight. So I'm back. It's the next day. I'm beat down because I'm about to do a TikTok, okay? And I'm putting on earrings because I'm trying to be cute, and blush is on fleek 1000. Maybe I need to tone it down a bit, but anyway, right now I'm going to just take the brush and I'm just going to brush that makeup away, because you know how you do your makeup and makeup gets in your hair, because I like to contour inside my scalp, because that can be a different color. Your scalp is always different color than your makeup. So then I'm going to add a little bit of that coconut oil just to blend out the makeup and to have some as I unravel the curls. And I'm ready. I'm like, yes, girl, yes, this is about to be the tightest, prettiest curls. I can't wait. And it was so easy to take down. And then I'm like, what is going on here? It was not what I expected. I thought I was going to have those tight curls. That's what I was waiting for. And then I was like, okay, let me hurry up, because these curls look so loose that they might just fall. So I added some more of that hairspray. Maybe the hairspray was the problem. I don't know. But the more that I look at these curls, I'm just going to try to hold them in place, be like a fake diffuser right now. And I'm like, okay, they are cute, like beach waves. And if you wear your hair straight, or if you wear bundles or weaves or wigs or something, this is cute for like a little loose curl, beach wave pattern, real organic curls, you know. I don't know, it didn't come out the way I expected, but it looks so good. I love it. And I'll probably wear it again when I straighten my hair. But thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Share this video if you like what you see. Thumbs up. All these things help grow my channel. And this year I said I wasn't worried about my channel growth, but I am focusing on the growth now. So if you guys can help me, that will help me out tremendously. But I thank you guys. I thank you for my new subscribers and all my old subscribers. I thank you guys. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at the SupNatural. I thank you guys for watching and have an amazing day. Bye.